This is just an update of the off-road lawn tractor. It's rebuilt, painted the shroud, redid some wiring. Now what you have to do is push this button here and it cranks, but it won't start right now because we're out of gas. And you just gotta flip the lever over here, turn it on and off. And while we were rebuilding the engine, I also got some new gas line here, and when we went to take it off the old gas tank that you filled up back here, well, I pulled the gas line off and it broke the nozzle. So now we gotta fix that gas tank or get a new one or something. And also we redid the steering, so now all it's gonna do is turn it like this. It turns all the way with just a few inches. I'll show you the underneath. Right there. Except I'm gonna have to put a longer bolt right here because, and I was thinking a bolt because then you could put with a hole through it, and then we'll put the nut and then the pin to hold the nut in place. And here, see that? It goes up in there and then over there by the pulley, underneath the pulley. It goes under here, right there, and up. Made our own battery shelf there because it didn't have one. Didn't really have metal to use for it, so we had to use wood. I'm gonna get my pipe welded up here so it stays up. Yeah. Still got quite a lot of work to do on it, but looks pretty good for now. I'll show you the way it looks with it all up. It's jacked up right now, so it's easier to steer. It steers better when you're driving, because it's pretty hard. Okay. It steers better than that. Okay, I think that's it. First video on this, our new channel, Redneck Tractors. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. See ya.